Hello there everyone, welcome back to Arts Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic why is it illegal to buy a queen art. In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. Art lovers like to build an art form that requires a queen art and purchase these arts from local distributors without knowing if this is illegal or not. It is illegal to buy queen arts because some exotic species of insects can transmit diseases when introduced in a new environment, and it raises ecological and ethical concerns. Moreover, it ensures the survival of both native and exotic arts and the stability of the ecosystem. Furthermore, it helps control the agricultural pest and black market involved in the illegal shipping of arts. It is essential to know whether the arts distributor is a permitted seller or not to keep yourself away from becoming a part of illegal actions. It is not considered legal to buy a queen art as it raises many concerns about the environment's safety, and the introduction of new species can pose a survival threat to other species. Ants are capable of disease transmission as their small bodies can carry different organisms when they are navigating through contaminated areas in search of food. You can find them moving in the trash bin or the rotten food containing bacteria. Additionally, they can transmit deadly pathogens to other ant species that can make them die. Art distributors and sellers are unaware of the disease transmission by these insects and consider them harmless. That's why they do not bother selling them to different regions. In the same way, many people like to keep exotic species on their farms as it seems interesting to grow them as pets in the region where they are not found locally. These insects can be present in bathrooms and kitchens, and even some live close to fungus, making them unsuitable for farming. Furthermore, the US government has banned the transfer of queen ants between states without having legal permits for shipping. It is banned to transfer ants from one region to other as it can affect the native species of the area where these insects are imported. Moreover, there is a risk of accidental escape of these exotic species in the new environment that can pose a danger to the native ones. Sometimes people release them into the environment intentionally to observe their behavior. The newly introduced species can kill the native ants and other insects when they have poisonous stings and fighting capabilities to attack smaller insects. Furthermore, it is not considered good to introduce wild insects like bullet ants to inhabited areas as they are deadly for other insects of the same species and humans. When the exotic ant species are transferred to a new place, they compete for resources. Sometimes they begin to eat the food consumed by the native ones. Accordingly, it creates competition between the species because they need food to get energy for the continuity of metabolic processes that help ensure their survival. It leads to survival of the fittest, and the newly introduced queens give rise to a new colony that gets adapted to the new environment and fights for survival. In addition, competition for food can occur between two different types of insects when they eat the same food source, disturbing the whole ecosystem. Therefore, this restriction on selling non-native insects through mail helps reduce ecological competition between the two species. The exotic or non-native ant species have to suffer when transferred to a new location as it becomes difficult to adapt to different environmental conditions. Most commonly, these prefer to live in warm and humid places and cannot survive when moved to cold and less humid areas. It is unethical to disturb their habitat as they face challenges of temperature, food, and water after reaching a new place. The quality of water, food availability, and external temperature changes can affect their lifespan and sometimes make them die. So it is not good to move the species manually as this interference in nature can cause a significant loss of particular species from this planet. It is not legal to buy queen ants that are non-native to a region as it is not considered safe for other local species of ants, insects, and even plants. It is better to consider the local species for an art form and play a role in conserving them by providing an ideal medium for multiplying. Moreover, you cannot keep wild insects in house as they are potentially dangerous to keep inside the home and cause a problem if these ants escape from the farm accidentally. Furthermore, choose the species commonly present in houses as they are not much harmful and you will get a chance to see the behavior of these amazing insects. The queens belonging to velvet and bullet ant colonies are not good to keep, and it is illegal to grow non-native species in your house if the state does not know about it. Most probably you get confused after knowing about the fake distributors around you that can sell queen ants without telling you that these are illegally acquired. You have to find some reliable and authentic platform through online means or search for stores that have got a permit for selling queens by the United States Department of Agriculture. Moreover, you can look for a local art keeper who is legally allowed to sell them in the United States and confirm their authenticity before finalizing an order. Thanks for watching the video.